What's going on, folks? Let me show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Chrysler 300. It's probably the same for about the 2011 up to about the 2023. If you're working on the passenger side, all you got to do is come over here. You'll see like your windshield wiper reserve fuel. You look right here, or fuel tank. You look right here, you have a little thing. You just want to spin the lid off of it. Just spin it down like that. You want to remove this lid. Go ahead and set that to the side somewhere. And once you do that, all you have to do is you'll just be reaching down inside of here. It's pretty simple. If you're on the passenger side, you just want to spin it down toward the ground pretty much. And once you do that, you'll be able to just pull your bulb out just like that. Make sure you're wearing gloves too when you're changing this out. I'm going to move it so you can see it. So make sure you're wearing gloves when you're changing out, because you don't want to basically touch on your new bulb. So once you do that, all you have to do now is just unplug it. You'll come to the back of it so you can see it. You'll come to the back. You see that back part right there? You just want to lift up on that little piece. And once you do that, you just want to completely unplug the bulb. This is the bulb that you will be using. Okay, so maybe you can see the numbers on it. Yeah, that's the bulb that you're going to be using for this Chrysler 300. Like I said, make sure you're using gloves, or you don't want to touch on your bulb and mess up your bulb. It'll make the life of it shorter. And once you do that, all you want to do is come in. You'll see this little piece right here on the back of your bulb. You just want to put that in. You're basically just snapping that piece inside there. And once you get done, you just want to look inside that opening. It's kind of tight, but you can get to it. And stick it back inside the hole where it belongs at, and you just want to spin it up. You want to spin up. Now, when you took it out, you spun it down. So you put it back in, you kind of want to put it in, and you want to spin it up like that go from the bottom and spin it up toward your driver's side, and pretty much you'll be done. All right, go ahead and put your dust cover back on, and you're good. All right, folks. Also, if you're going to be changing it on your driver's side, what you're going to have to do is go ahead and remove your air filter right here, your cover. So your couple screws right here that you're going to have to take out to remove this piece right here off of here pretty much. Yeah, you're going to want to go ahead and remove your air cover right here, because your headlight on this side is down behind here. So you'll have to remove some screws off of your air filter to remove this air filter box right here to get to your driver's side headlight. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.